Bonsoir.
Hi, we're going to play a song called Police Sweater Blood Vow that's on our record called Better Tea.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Forget the dogs and forget the sheep. It's only you who affects me. On the fun fat track road, and the helter-skelter fall, on my ice skaters bruised knees. Vibrate, buzz, buzz, ring and beat. Tell me, babe, what time is it now? Vibrate, buzz, buzz, ring and beat. Tell me, babe, what time is it now? Blood, love, silver locket, and police swear to blood vow. Nativity jingle, Carolyn cry. His chain smoking ashes all over himself. Laugh and hug your wild wine wife. Oh, vibrate, buzz, buzz, ring and beat. Tell me, babe, what time is it now? Vibrate, buzz, buzz, ring and beat. Tell me, babe, what time is it now? Parking lot reading, oh, cover my eyes. You're a sick Mona, babe, now hold your size. On Christmas Eve, and does he escalate the most? Or retrace steps but not lost loves? Well, vibrate, buzz, buzz, ring and beat. Tell me, babe, what time is it now? Vibrate, buzz, buzz, ring and beat. Tell me, babe, what time is it now? Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Well, I went to sleep, I was sitting up. I saw the diary and I cried out. That's not right, babe. You're here and I'm there. That's not right, babe. You're here and I'm there. Vibrate, buzz, buzz, ring and beat. Tell me, babe, what time is it now? Vibrate, buzz, buzz, ring and beat. Tell me, babe, what time is it now? Okay.
Merci.
We're gonna play a new song and then an old song, and the new song is called Japanese Slippers.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Down at the shell shed, the boys are picking at the pearls. The hole in my mitten lets the rain get in. I bought 22 ounces at the petrol park, waiting at the light, and I'm never gonna make it back in time. But Geraldine and me could begin. Mr. Raymond, his Japanese slippers comes creeping in. I sit with the fan on my face and sip shandies all day. I learn to sleep standing up so I don't have to make the bed. No tobacco for my rolling papers, warm water in my cup. Well, I have to wait all morning, but Geraldine and me can begin. Mr. Raymond, his Japanese slippers comes creeping in. I loaded up with turkey carpets and green glass diamonds. I drove back and forth for 5 long rolling moons. And every day and every night I thought of back at home, and I couldn't get the notion out of my head. Listen, where Geraldine and me could begin. Mr. Raymond, his Japanese slippers comes creeping in. Well, everything is always a little late, but tripping on those Japanese slippers seems to be my fave. It was my job to cut down all the poplar trees, and I'd sit on the stumps and listen to the finches, and stare out at the field and eat honey out of the jar, and wonder why it always seemed that where Geraldine and me could begin. Mr. Raymond, his Japanese slippers would come creeping in. We're gonna play an old song. It's called Blueberry Boat. It's from our record called Blueberry Boat.
Are you gonna clap along?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to clap.
All right. I'll just start playing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, I'm trying to remember the words. I remember. It's so old. Well, past Taipei through the Taiwan Straits, we sailed on in, me and my mates. And it was my first time running my own ship, but my buddies didn't care, they didn't give me no lip. So many times we've been side by side, but no, I never carried a load with so much pride. You see, I'm from Grand Rapids and up my way, we grow the best blueberries in the US of A. And when we pull into old HK, little market to have something special next day. And then he gone ahead of scotch, I made him switch off the porn, cause there's nothing that's dirty about the ocean in the morn. Now the radar said nothing, and nothing crossed my mind when they came starboard side, up from behind. No, I never saw him coming, and even though he's right, they beat two of my men, simply out of spite. And then they came back to the helm, kicked me over and said, do what we say or we'll kill you and your men. When I looked back at those pirates at the beady little eyes, I gathered my courage, I could see the surprise when I said, go ahead, you can cut my throat, but you ain't never getting the cargo of my blueberry boat. Oh, it's sad, it's cold at the bottom of the sea, but at least I got my blueberries with me.
Let's play the other one. Oh, we're gonna play one more.
It didn't take much of an arm twisting there. But,
No.
We'll play one more song from our new record, Bitter Tea. It's called Teach Me Sweetheart.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come away, teach me, sweetheart. Oh, come on, past. Brave young bachelors. Well, I'm alone. Teach me, sweetheart. Oh, my mother-in-law was standing by the stove, oh, hissing like a snake, oh, hissing like a snake. She was hissing like a snake. She gave orders to spill my blood. She gave orders to spill my blood. I thought, and I thought some more. Come away, teach me, sweetheart. Oh, come on, past. Brave young bachelors. Well, I'm alone. Teach me, sweetheart. Oh, my father-in-law was laying on his bed, oh, ground like a dog, oh, ground like a dog. He was growling like a dog. He gave orders to spill my blood. He gave orders to spill my blood. I thought, and I thought some more. Come away, teach me, sweetheart. Oh, come on, past. Brave young bachelors. Well, I'm alone. Teach me, sweetheart, my sister-in-law was sitting on a stoop, crawling like a crow, crawling like a crow. She was crawling like a crow. She gave orders to spill my blood. She gave orders to spill my blood. I thought, and I thought some more. My brother-in-law was laying on the love seat, tapping with his tail, tapping with his tail. He was purring like a cat. He gave orders to spill my blood. He gave orders to spill my blood. I thought,
Merci. Bonsoir.